How to turn off explicit content restrictions on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can turn off the explicit content restrictions on Spotify. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to turn off explicit content restrictions on Spotify, it is very simple. So this can actually be achieved even on the free version of Spotify. So you can see I don't have the paid plan. I'm just on the free version. And as long as I'm logged into my account, once you log in, tap on your Spotify profile from the top left. Then go to settings and privacy. And when you do that, go to this option called content and display. And there you can see the option called allow explicit content. This could have been turned off. So you just have to actually turn it on like this to remove any type of restrictions that you're facing on an explicit content. So it says explicit content labeled with the E tag is playable when off. Explicit music and podcasts are skipped, and explicit audiobooks where available are also hidden. But you can turn this on to allow it and remove any sort of restrictions. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.